Hello everyone, welcome to BIM Parametrics, and this is Mohammed Sharuk. And in today's video we will see how we can assign the coordinates to a model which is already been created in Revit. Now how this tutorial or this case is different from the previous one. If you remember, in the previous one we have assigned the coordinates to our project site before we started doing the modeling. But in case, okay, in this scenario what is happening, the building is already been created, okay, the model is ready but not been geo-reference, means it is not assigned to a proper project site. Now to start with, let me show you the dimension for this building. So the building is having the same dimension as of the parcel which we have seen in the last video. So which this dimension was actually 30 meters by 15 meters, okay, and this parcel drawing is already been geo-referenced. Now one thing I need to make you correct here is there was a mistake happened in the previous lecture, that here anyways it is showing you the correct values, like the easting and northing is showing you correct, but when these values were different interchange, okay, in the coordinate, in the view, in the option here you can see in the center x and y, means northing value is in the easting value and easting value is in the northing value. So that's why you might get some changes, or the changes in the value if you see in the previous video. So let's continue. I have corrected this file, and now the corrected file will be used for this tutorial. So this is the parcel drawing which we are going to use. Let me close this. Now let's go back to Revit. So this is our model. Now the first step is I will change the units. So I will go to units length and then change it to meters. Once this is done, next step is I need to bring my parcel data or the CAD file. So for this we'll go to insert and then link CAD, select sample parcel drawing.dwg. The remaining things will keep it as it is, just like the first video we have seen in Geo-Referencing. Click open. Okay, so since it is manually positioning, so I will just keep it anywhere. Now the next step is I want to align this corner of the parcel or to this building corner of this building element. Now for this we can do it usually easily with the help of move command. So I'll select move, and then simply you can just place it on the building corner. Next is you can see the parcel is currently oriented towards the true north, okay, and I want to rotate it towards, to highlight it as the project north. For this right now we can just select it, and then I can use the rotate command and just move the base point here in the building corner, and then just use the reference of this edge and rotate it 26.71 degree, okay, to the building edge or vertical edge here. Now the parcel and the building element, you can see they are properly aligned together. Next step is I need to bring my project base point. For this I will go to VG again, visibility graphics, and then we go to site. Let's select project base point, click apply, and then OK. Now again, next step is we need to align this project base point to the building corner here, which is having the known coordinates. For this I will again use the move command. I can select move and just drag this or move it towards the base point, towards the building corner here. Next step, pin all the elements. Like I will select the link CAD file or the CAD file, and then I'll pin it, and then I'll select the project base point. I am going to pin it, this one, so this will not move here and there. Next step, we need to now acquire the coordinates from the CAD file. So for this I will select the CAD file. Now after selecting the CAD file, I will go to the properties palette in the shared site, which you have seen already in the last class, in the last session. So you can go to not shared. I can go to acquire the shared coordinate system, select it, so and reconcile. So what this will do, this will transfer the data from the CAD file to the Revit file. Now once this is done, I can simply select the project base point here, and you can see the values have been assigned. So this is the northing value and the easting value. the mistake which I was mentioning you before, which happened in the last video, was the easting was showing in northing and northing was showing in easting. That is because of the incorrect values in the CAD file in the parcel data. So anyways, this is the correct file. And this is the correct value. So once this is done, now I want to remove my CAD file. I don't want to use it anymore. So already I am using this CAD file to just gather or acquire the data. So what I will do is I'll go to manage link, and then I will go to CAD format, sample parcel drawing, and then simply I'm going to unload my CAD file from here. So just click unload and then OK. Now the file, you can see the CAD file is now unloaded. Now once I will select this project base point, you can see the values are already assigned. Now this is the project, this is the project north. In case you want to orient this your site or your building towards the true north, simply you can go towards the properties palette here, and you can see in the orientation, again click on true north and then apply. So this is the true north and this is the project north. So now I can go to 3D view. Okay, now since this model is properly geo-reference, I can select any of the edges here or any point here, and it will show you the true coordinates for it. So for this I can go to annotate, and then I will click on spot coordinate, and then I can simply select. Now you can see the values. The values for this vertex is present here. If you want to change the units, I can simply go to length, and I can include the I'll just increase the decimal places. So this is the correct value, okay, for the this specific point or coordinate. Now, so that's all in this video. In the next video I will show you how you can properly export this file as an IFC, which is also georeference. So then we will see like the exported IFC file will be how it can be used in any different softwares, okay, and then also we will verify, okay, that how this model is present in the exact location as in the we have seen in the parcel drawing. So before, our drawing was somewhere present here, right? So we will see in the next video that how the IFC can be exported, and it will exactly come in this specific location. All right, thank you very much.